In this section, we will discuss the 4-H story, non-project clippings, project record forms, and how to properly write a goal. Your 4-H story is optional. It is not required to be in your record book. However, the committee members love reading your story, and you will definitely enjoy reading it what you wrote in later years. We definitely encourage every 4-H member to include your 4-H story. And the thing is it's your story, so you can include whatever you want. It could be a reflection on what happened this past year. If you wanted to write a nonfiction piece, a haiku, or a poem, it's totally up to you. You can also include non-project clippings and photos in your record book. This is optional as well. This is a tab where you can place any articles or photographs pertaining to your 4-H year that do not pertain to a specific project area. So if you did community service with your club, any holiday parties, meetings, field trips, workshops, things of that nature. Project record forms are the specific project forms for your project area. This year, there is one form for all ages. This is drastically simplified from years past. In years past, there have been over 40 different forms to choose from. Now, there are only 11. There are different forms for different project areas, but it is the same form for all ages. In later tutorials, we will discuss each of the project record forms. You will only fill out one form per project area. As stated before, home improvement, food and nutrition, woodworking, sheep, beef, poultry, rabbit, those types of things are your project area. The specific exhibit that you brought to a fair, such as refinishing a bench or building a bookshelf, would be considered the exhibit. So for home improvement is the project area. You refinished a bench and built a bookshelf. You would fill out one form for the project area that includes information on both exhibits. For goals, this is very, very important. You want to make sure that your goal is for the project area, not the specific project. You must also have at least 2 goals in order to be considered for an award. There will be absolutely no exceptions on not having 2 goals, so make sure you have 2 goals for your project area in your project record forms. So what exactly is a goal? Well, a goal has 3 parts. It should tell you how, what, and when. So the action, how are you going to do it? The result, what will you do? And the timetable, when you plan to have it done. So make sure that your goals are good goals and have the 3 parts of how, what, and when. Great goals are specific. They are not too general or broad. They also meet your needs and interests, not anyone else's, but yours, provide you with an opportunity to achieve, are able to be accomplished within 1 year, and show progress from year to year. So make sure that when you are writing your goals that you can accomplish them and they're meeting your needs. A poor goal may look like these examples. I want a blue ribbon, I want to take a good picture, I want a lot of money, and I want to win. While these are goals, they do not have the 3 parts of how, what, and when. In order to show you how to write a goal, we have this table here. It shows you the 3 different parts, how, what, and when. Make sure that when you are writing goals, you have the 3 parts. So I want to train my heifer to load before the fair is an excellent goal because it has all 3 parts. This concludes our short tutorial on our 4-H story, non-project clippings, and project record forms, along with how to write a goal. Stay tuned for more information in our upcoming tutorials.